Hey, go Bridgeside.
I'm Danny Milano, and today we're cooking veal saltimbocca.
Veal scallopini, butter, flour, white wine, cooking oil, prosciutto, fresh sage, 1 clove of garlic, spinach, and 1 boiled egg.
Pick up the veal, flour them up, and right into the oil we go. Gonna cook this on each side for about 30 seconds. Get our second pan going, add some olive oil, add our garlic. We're gonna throw our spinach right into the hot oil. Butter up our third pan, add some white wine, add a little bit of flour into that. Transfer our veal right into that dish. Add a ladle of broth. Top off the veal with some prosciutto. Saltimbocca in Italian means jump in your mouth. When you try my saltimbocca, you're gonna jump through the roof. Chop up some sage and then add it right to the dish. After 5 minutes of cooking the veal in this pan, it's gonna lay down on a bed of spinach. Top it off with some juice. Grab a boiled egg and we're gonna put the icing on the cake. What an excellent way to top this dish. Dr. Jesus said I will not eat green eggs and ham till he tried some veal and prosciutto from Dan the man.
Go Bridgeside.